ngayon.
At alam nyo, sa tuwing Metro Manila Film Festival, bukod sa pelikula, nakaka-excite din yung mga float nila eh. Grabe yung mga designs niya.
Nako, last year, di ba? Nakita niyo, sobrang ganda. Sobrang pinag-effort.
Ano yung ganda? Sobra!
Ganda! Grabe!
Nice one, Jay. Kaya, day 7 naman. Gabi ng Parangal Awards Night ng Metro Manila Film Festival. Kaya, susuportahan po natin. Show them some love, Provinces Manila!
Looking dashing!
Dashing young men.
Yes.
This red carpet off with some fresh young talent.
Yes.
Na napakatalented talaga. Nakilis ito.
Palakpakan naman dyan!
Sa ating red carpet. Please join us here on stage and say Day Fatima and Pearl Gonzalez. Walking the red carpet now, we have yung red carpet natin at mininig sa lahat ng mga stars na naglalakad. Yes!
To watch all of these great artists in the Philippines.
Dylan Menor! Walking that red carpet. Robinsons Manila, let's give it up for Dylan Menor and Cedric Juan. There we have it, guys. And then we're Ashtin Olvida and Rita Parejo. Kanina pa kayo nakita. Welcome, Ashtin and here as they walk the red carpet for their grand premiere. Let's welcome Enrique Hill and the director Raymond Red. Mr. Piolo Pascual. Enrique Hill and our director Raymond Red. Let's all welcome them, guys, this ensemble, the cast of Manila's Finest.
Welcome, welcome!
Robinsons complete. Let's just have a few questions for all the cast, starting off with Mr. Piolo Pascual. One more time, guys. Compress.
Compress a little bit. Ayan!
Attorney Ona and the rest of the executive committee members, please join us here on stage. One, two, three, say MMFF! Kita dito sa pelikula ito sa mga Pilipino.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. On behalf of everyone, I'd like to thank you, of course, for honoring this event. We're thankful, of course, to MMFF for this opportunity to show our film. Medyo lahat kami dito, first time namin makikita, so we're excited at the same time, nininervyos, but we're just really happy because finally, it's gonna come out in 10 days, and para sa ating mga Pilipino doon. You know, it's Christmas time, and it's the best time to show our support sa pelikulang Pilipino, at magagarantiya po namin na magugustuhan ninyo ang Manila's Finest.
Thank you, Papa B. Congratulations already on this film. And sabi nga ni Papa B, 10 more days. December 25, panoorin po natin yan sa sinihan. And for a big screen comeback, we have Enrique Hill. Mr. Enrique, congratulations on the film. Ano ang importanteng message na mabibigay mo sa mga Filipinos watching Manila's Finest this Christmas?
To never give up on fighting for what's right. To fight for our country, you know. All the injustices sa justice system natin, kailangan natin lumaban and stand together. At maging mabuting tao natin tayo lahat. Yun lang po yun. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, Enrique, and they're very excited to see you.
Hello po, beautiful in red!
Ashtin, kanina kanina pa silang excited na makita ka. Ano ang masasabi mo sa mga napaka-supportive mong fans na nandito ngayong gabi?
Siyempre, thank you so much for coming here tonight for supporting MMFF na Manila's Finest. Sinasabi ko lang uuwi kayo na hindi kayo magsisisi na Thank you so much po.
Excited na talaga tayong lahat.
For all the Filipinos here and nationwide that will be watching this film on the 25th.
Well, we've always heard how history is always relevant, no? Of course, as a subject. But I think what's really important with our film, kasi it speaks of a certain time in history, but at the same time, it speaks of human relationships. So I think maraming tao makaka-relate talaga sa kwento. Hindi lang siya really about the police force, the society, and you know, the conflict that was happening during the time of the period.
Okay, so ngayon, we're inviting all the cast and crew to proceed to rob.
Robinsons Manila, nandito ako ngayon kasama ko ang two lead stars ng Manila's Finest, Enrique Hill and Mr. Piolo Pascual. Let's ask them a few questions. Papa P, Enrique, how does it feel working with one another? How was the dynamics on set and when you guys were producing this film?
First of all, sinabi ko na matagal na, sa tagal ko sa industriya, almost 15 years, never pa kami nagkatrabaho ni Mr. Viola Pascual. So, I mean, it's about time. I mean, who doesn't want to work with the one, the only Viola Pascual, Mr. Everything. So it's really a dream come true, and I'm just happy to be part of it. I'm blessed and thankful that they even considered me to be part of this film. So I'm just really happy to be a part of this wonderful and beautiful film. Of course, produced by Spring Films as well. So, yun lang. I'm just really blessed. So, maraming salamat, brother. I love you, man.
Same goes. When this was pitched to me, si Ken talaga yun. Kami yung magkasama, and just like what he said, we've worked sa TV, but we never had a chance to really act together. So we're just really excited. We share the same tents. Magkasama kami sa lahat ng mga sa standby area, and I got to know him better. And sobrang professionalism again. What I can say about him, he's a breath of fresh air. Hindi mo makikita na kasimangot sa set, lagi nakangiti, and he was so happy. Ang gaan sa set, ang gaan niya kasama, and it was really an exciting time to work with him, especially sa mga eksena ng ginawa namin, kasi makikita mo talaga yung dynamics, very, very evident na in-enjoy namin yung characters namin very well.
Ako, exciting yan, as I said.
First of all, it's a very beautiful film. I mean, I think the message is very, very strong. I think kailangan natin magkaisa ngayong taon, and especially for next year. Sa lahat po na nangyayari ngayon, there's really a lot to learn in this film. At not only that, ay yung mga panahon ni si Piolo Pascual ngayong Pasko. Gusto nyo, di ba? Ayun. So, manood tayo po lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Just to echo out what Ken said, we made this film with 3 writers. Actually, Michiko Yamamoto, who's award-winning, Sharad Sanchez, and also Moira Lang. And these 3 writers really worked hand in hand just to make sure na yung ipipresent nating story is seamless, it's relevant, and entertaining. And having Direct Raymond Red at the helm as a director, it was such a delight to see it, to watch it. When I would like do previews, I would be amazed dun sa set, dun sa lighting, dun sa framing. Ang sarap niya panoorin. So, you know, it's an honor for us and a privilege at the same time because I don't want to brag about it being ginastosan, pero talagang nagtulong-tulong lahat sa MQuest to make sure that we come up with a very beautiful film. And I hope mag-resonate sa audience natin.
Thank you, guys.
Nating pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors for the 51st Metro Manila Film Festival Premiere Nights.
Pearl Gonzalez.
Ganda! Next off, we have Paulo Angeles.
From Paolo Angeles, susunod naman si Kiko Estrada.
And syempre, si Dylan Menor.
Let's welcome on stage Mr. Joey Marquez.
And of course, Mr. Cedric Juan.
Mr. Joey, as you join us here on stage, may tanong lang po ako para sa inyo. Gaano po kayo ka-excited na mapanood na po nila ang Manila's Finest?
Very excited kasi maraming matututunan ng mga kabataan dito. As well as you see the difference between the generation then and now.
There we have it. Thank you, Sir Joey, for those remarks. Exciting again. Let's keep going. We have Mr. Cedric Juan who just joined us. And of course, Ashtin Olviga.
And of course, next, Miss Rica Paralejo.
Hi, Miss Rica. Since you're here, we have one question for you.
Yes.
Alam ko excited ka kanina pa sa red carpet, but this is gonna be your comeback film. What do you have to say sa mga Filipinong manonood ng Manila's Finest?
Well, syempre, you're really watching out for a really good film. Well-made in a lot of aspects. But siguro, ulitin ko lang yung sinabi ni Sir Joey kanina na napakagandang storya nito para makita natin kung ano yung pinagkaiba noon. Pero at the same time, what are the things na pareho sa panahon natin ngayon? Kasi laging may pagbabago at yun yung pinag-uusapan ng pelikulang ito. So, thank you.
Welcome, Mr. Enrique Hill! And Mr. Piolo Pascual!
And of course, we'll be calling on Direk Raymond Red.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Manila's Finest. Palakpakan naman natin sila!
Sa gitna ng dilim, kita'y
Thank you all so much! Ang Manila's Finest Premiere Night nga ang una sa MMFF Premiere Night Series ng MMDA and MMFF Committee! Kaya naman bago natin simulan ang pagpapalabas ng pelikula, let's all stand for the singing of the national anthem.